This is Ryan.
Emily.
Emily. In our problem, it's a rain gutter to be made of aluminum sheets that are 12 inches wide by turning up the edges 9 degrees. We had to figure out the maximum cross-sectional of the entire gutter. So we got X is like how much it's folded up by, and 12 minus 2X, and then we figure out the area by have length times width, so that's X times 12 minus 2X, and then we found it to be 12X minus 2X squared equals the area.
And then since we know that we're trying to find the maximum, and the maximum would be the vertex, we plug in, we use the equation opposite b over 2a, and we get negative 12 times 2 times 2, and then that comes out as negative 12 over negative 4, and that comes out as 3.
After finding the x value of the vertex, we plugged the x value into the equation for area to solve for the y value, which would be our maximum. So we have 12 times 3 minus 2 times 3 squared, and then we got 18, which is our maximum y value, which is also the maximum amount of area that you can have. Thanks for watching.